Hey guys, this is Kwa. I wanted to create a video to show you how to create a landing page with the Easy Landing Page Pro. Actually, when you log into this program, it actually has built-in videos, tutorials to show you how to do it. But I'm gonna show you how to do a really quick one. So basically, this is what you'll see after you log in and assuming you create an account already. And also, I want to mention that you can only use this program if you have an existing domain already. It doesn't create landing pages that are free floating, so you must have a domain already in order to use that. In another video, I'll show you how to create a domain and to purchase a domain and to purchase hosting. But for the time being, let's just assume that you have a domain. So I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to create a landing page. Click on this, and it'll give you suggestions about what you need to begin to use this program. And basically, what you'll need is the information, the FTP information for your domain that you should have already. So it'll ask you for the domain name, and I'll type in the one that I was using. And then it'll ask you for the folder, and the folder can be anything. Okay, so I'm just going to call it test landing page. And then, of course, you go next. Oh, actually, I made a mistake because I should have typed in the domain with the HTTP and www as well. All right. Okay. And the thing about this program is that it will only work with certain providers, hosting companies, and they are HostGator, HostMonster, Bluehost, JustHost, Web Hosting Hub, Web Hosting Pad, FatCal, and Green Geeks. Okay, these are the only hosting companies that this free software will work with, and that's just a downfall because it's free, so they can only it's limited as to who what hosting companies you use with. I actually and one of my hosting accounts is with Bluehost, so I can use this. So the first thing I want to do is type in your FTP server, and so that is the FTP name that when you sign up for a domain and hosting company, they will give you this information. So not to worry. And then, of course, you have to put in your username. All right. So what you'll see next is that you have a choice of different templates that you can use. You can use a template that has a lot of information, including photos. You can just use a very simple one. You can, and also this is really cool too, is that you can use one that has videos. Okay, you might have seen landing pages where there's a video embedded in the landing page. I don't really tend to do that because I think that they're counterproductive. These are my thoughts and just mine only. Is that you want to have the landing page as simple as possible. That so when someone lands on it, they just want to opt in right away. I mean, you don't want them to watch a video or see a sales page or anything, sales video. You just want to have them put in their name and email account and then go from there. So I wouldn't use one of these video options, but if you have, if you think that it's going to help you, and if you think that you can convince people to to add the information with the video, then by all means go ahead and do that. So I'm going to just choose a very simple one because that's what I like to do. And then you just type in, top header, and my top header usually is attention getting or warning, where I say something to the effect of this video is only available for 5 days or whatever, something that creates a sense of urgency or scarcity. All right, and then you have a choice of what your button will have. I mean, your choices are download free now, get free access, get instant access, sign up for free, download free port. I'm just going to click on sign up for free. And your HTML AR code, that is going to be what you need to put in. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you, okay? Hey guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you where you get your AR code. So I'm in Aweber. I use Aweber. And so I go where the publish form, and then my designer will install my form. Actually, and then what I want to do is get the raw HTML code. So you're going to get something like this, and it's the same for most autoresponders. Well, you don't want to just copy that, okay? And then you take it over to here, and you copy it in here, all right? And then you just click next. The program has places for you to put your privacy policy and your earning disclaimer and that kind of information. So when you are dealing, this is critical in some aspects, because when you're dealing with certain companies like Facebook or with Google or with Bing, what they're looking for is that you have a privacy policy before they will allow you to use landing pages on their platforms. And so that's why this is critical. But if you are not using any of these promotion platforms, then you don't really need to worry about that. All right, so just give it a name, and I'll just call it test landing page, because I'm so unique. All right, so if you want to see what my test landing page looks like, I just open it up. I go through there. And then I get to the point where it says preview, and then it will preview. Okay, so you'll see basically this is it. Of course, you can change all this. You can remove all these little buttons down here, and of course you can change the text, and you can change the headers as well, and all that kind of stuff. But basically, this is how landing page is created, okay? And then when you type in your email, what will happen is that somebody's going to type in their email, and they click on download. They will go to your autoresponder. They will become subscribed to your autoresponder. So that's pretty much it. This is a free program, and if you want to get started on making landing pages and squeeze pages or opt-in pages, whatever you want to call them, this is a good place to start because you don't have to invest any money. The only thing is that you need to have a domain, a hosted domain. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you, and let me know if you have any questions.